Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandelier Sound, Lake Bourne, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas, Mississippi Sound, until 6:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:19 a.m. Central Standard Time, a cluster of showers was located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of Eaton out to near Orleans Marina, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lake Bourne, Eaton Isle, Bray-Galise, and Pass Christian. Strong winds will be dangerous for boaters or anyone near the water. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A marine weather statement